death figures for the UK have been released this afternoon. 85 people have died from the virus in the last 24-hour period across all settings. That brings
quick look at the back here. That's my 1080p Cat 6, so it's HDMI at one end, Cat 6 all the way to that, then HDMI to the TV, so that's my Sky. IR control for it as well over a Magic Eye on the front. And obviously I've got my internet in, USB powering up an audio converter there, so that's optical to coax, and that goes then on a long run to my Sonos amp where I'm running ceiling speakers that we can see up there. That is pretty much it, and that is that double arm bracket there. So that's an InVision double arm bracket. I'll put a link for it, but it's holding this 75-inch TV up that weighs 38 kilograms. I think it takes about 45, so a bit near the limit there. Connections at the top.
Health Secretary Matt Hancock says the government will not be recommending that people wear face masks in offices in England. There was speculation that rules for workplaces could follow shops, where people will have to wear face coverings from the 24th of July. Mr. Hancock said the government rejected the idea on the basis that